guys, welcome back to my channel. So today one of my staff will be talking briefly about pattern making tools and their various uses. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video, and kindly watch to the end to know the various uses of different pattern making tools. Thank you.
Hello viewers, my name is Ikma. I'm a pattern maker and a tailor in Winnie's Picture. Today I will be taking you to different tools used in pattern making and their uses. Kindly stay tuned to the end. First, we have pattern paper. This is used to draft or draw our pattern. This is used to draft or draw our pattern, then cut out and transfer this pattern on the fabric. We also have how. This is used to make a hole or mark on a pattern. We have hanger hole. This is used to put patterns together while hanging on a rod. We have pattern paper tape. This paper tape is used to mend pattern work. We have scissors. We have two types of scissors. We have fabric scissors and paper scissors. We have ruler. We have flexible ruler and normal ruler. Normal ruler used to take straight measurement, while flexible ruler used to take curves like armhole, neckline. We have tailor shop. This tailor shop is used to mark that or other information on the fabric. We have measuring tape. We use it to take measurement. We have curves. We have different type of curves. We have French curves. This French curve is used to shape armhole or neckline. We have slide curves. This slide curve is used to shape armhole, necklines, pockets, collar, or other curves. We also have hip curves. This hip curve is used to shape hip lines. We have variform curve used to blend and shape armhole and necklines. We have pin cushion. This is used to put pattern, used to hold pin together. We have fabric pin. This is used for draping, pinning patterns together. We have pencil. We have notcher. This is used to cut pattern opening, to identify, to indicate pattern, to indicate central lines, seam allowance, or to identify front and back of pattern. We have paper tape. This is main pattern work. We have tracing wheel. This is used to transfer pattern shape to another pattern paper. And we have metal weight. This is used to hold patterns and fabric together in place and put them in place. If you gain value from this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for video like this. See you in our next video. Bye.